There's a green lizard crawling on him.
He was in a fight too. He got a look at him with a scar on his leg.
It's so tiger. That looks
so big.
Look, the yellow is dead.
He's just sleeping.
No, he's sleeping.
No, they're just sleeping.
The camera makes everything look smaller.
Okay. Your shoes back.
I look like a monster when I do that? Thanks. Dominance. No. He doesn't need your help. Come on, you're making Roy want to go over there. Okay, put it down. Okay, I recorded you doing it. That's great. Put it down now. I am recording right now.
Are you riding, my man?
Okay, please put that back on the shelf. Thank you. I did record it. You'll get to watch the video later. Come on.
Oh.
Small irises. What's that eating? Flowers?
Looks like some kind of berry.
Look at that.
So cute.
Berry. That's right.
Look what he's trying to say. Look what he's trying to do. Go away.
That's what the bird was doing with his wing? Oh, okay.
He did. Go away. Where?
Look, he looks like the bird, the bad one in Rio. Doesn't he?
Yeah.
Do you remember that bird's name?
What?
Yeah. I don't remember either.
A parrot.
Come on.
Got mad. A waterfall, Mommy.
Yeah, waterfall.
A waterfall.
Sorry.
Go see the waterfall. A parakeet. And a parakeet.
No, we have to go. No. Yes.
I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave.
You're gonna stay by yourself? How are you gonna get home to eat? Stomping your feet is gonna change it? Let's see what these birds are doing.
What color? We'll go see.
That's where we were at, right?
Parrot! Hold me! 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 Hold me!
No, don't touch. You can't pull his tail. I don't think he's hungry. I think they already ate their food. Don't stand underneath them. They might poop on you. Don't stand underneath them. They might poop on you. Birds do have a boo-boo. You just can't see it because of their feathers.
No one is doing that.
Dominance, don't go through the bars yet.